dusty haze on summer highways, sweet magnolia calling. And now and then I find myself just thinking of the days that we were walking in the Alabama rain. Driving movies Friday nights, drinking beer and laughing. Somehow things were always right, just don't know what happened. And now and then I find myself just thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain. We were only kids, but then never heard it said that kids can't fall in love and feel the same. I can still remember the first time I told you I loved you on a dusty mid-July country summer's evening. Weeping willows sang its lullabies and shared our secrets. But now and then I find myself